Is your relationship with money actually killing your business? In this video, I'm going to show you how your relationship with money is slowly killing your business. And I'll also give you some tips on what to do so that you can finally have a healthy relationship with money and a business that thrives. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Charissa, and I'm a biblical money mindset coach for ambitious Christian female entrepreneurs. This channel is all about helping you make simple 3% money mindset shifts in line with the Word of God so that you can create a prosperous business and a massive legacy that reflects God's goodness. If you want to hear more videos, I drop them every week. Hit that subscribe button. I had just sent out the survey. It was a Google Doc survey for all those people who had been interested in my monthly membership where I was teaching practical biblical money principles and how to apply them. And this survey was to see why they didn't buy. As I scrolled through the Google Doc, just about every single answer said the same thing. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. Can't afford it? It's $27 a month. Just one tip I share, you would make back your entire ROI, your entire investment every single month, and it only compounds from there. Maybe it really isn't worth $27. What if no one buys? You must not be good enough. The doubt crept in. Because of these doubts and because of these questions in my own mind about the value of this service, 3 months later, I dropped my price to $10 a month. I sold it again, and this time 4 women bought, but they never showed up for the coaching calls or watched the replays. I know, I checked. The doubt compounded. How am I going to be able to make enough to pay the bills? I'm losing money. The thought of putting together another sale and facing the same rejection and disappointment after I had spent so much time into putting together an offer based on what they said they wanted to serve them, this made me drag my feet on showing up on selling in my business. Have you ever had an experience like this? Tell me in the chat if you have and how it made you feel. I began to notice a pattern. The negative thoughts that you tell yourself over and over and over reveal your beliefs about money. And these beliefs about money were killing my business even before it ever got off the ground. And they're killing your business too. If you believe it's hard to make money, that no one's going to buy, that your services are not affordable, all these doubts start coming up inside your mind. And you're going to struggle with asking for the sale. You're not going to do it as often as you should. If you don't ask for the sale, you're not going to be able to serve more clients. You're also not going to be able to bring home more revenue to your family. And it's a double-edged sword, because if you do ask for the sale, you're going to internally assume that they're not going to be able to afford your services. They're going to say no. And so you start undercharging, just like I did at $10 a month, which if it's that low, people don't see the value in your services because they don't believe that there is actually going to be transformation that's going to happen. The lack of sales is going to continue to lead you to believe that your services have no value and that you will feel like you're a complete disappointment to your family because you're not bringing home as much revenue as you said you would. You're going to think that you are the problem. I know, because I've been there too. Do you see in this simple example how your beliefs about money are killing your business? Your business is growing, but it feels like this wilted plant. No matter what kind of marketing strategies you use to make your business thrive, it doesn't seem to work. As I've had hundreds of conversations with female business owners and entrepreneurs over the last 12 years, I've talked to women who are trying to make their first $100,000. I've talked to women who are making $100,000 a month. And in every single conversation I had, I saw that every single one of these entrepreneurs, these business owners, either had struggled or they were currently struggling with these same toxic money beliefs. These pervasive money beliefs were slowly killing their business, no matter what level of revenue they were at. And here I thought I was the only one. Hit that like button if you feel relieved, just like I did, that to know you're not the only one who struggles with this. But this pattern got me thinking, what is causing these beliefs? How do you get past them? I wanted to figure out exactly where these negative money beliefs were coming from and how to shift these beliefs so that my business could grow and thrive. But more importantly, I wanted to figure out why there are so many businesses that are doing really, really well, yet so many Christian businesswomen are struggling to take their business to the next level. Through my research, I found that there are 4 main roots where these toxic money beliefs come from that are killing your business. First, there is the root from what other people have told you and other people have taught you, like your parents, your caregivers, what they have taught you to believe about money through their own words and their own beliefs. Maybe you were like Nancy, who had a parent who told you to stop asking for things because they couldn't afford it. Or maybe you were like Heather, who had parents who made snide remarks about salespeople and business people and rich people. Whatever it is, you've picked up your parents' beliefs about money and you've internalized them. The second root is that many of the Bible verses that you hear about money have been misquoted and taken out of context, especially to keep women paralyzed by fear of not honoring God with their money. The third root of these toxic money beliefs comes from your own mistakes around money and the shame and guilt that follows. Maybe it's from funding family memories with debt. Maybe it's mismanaging money or gaining a whole lot of money only to waste it all. Whatever it is, we've all made money mistakes. The fourth root comes from straight up lies from the enemy about your worth and value. With money beliefs like this and where they come from, it's no wonder your business is dying. But there's hope. When you have somebody who can connect the negative money beliefs killing your business to one of these 4 roots, someone who can show you a proven method to dig up those roots, to replace those lies with biblical truth, that's when your business can start to flourish. If you would like to know the best strategy I have found, and I've looked at many, the best strategy to have a healthy relationship with money, one that creates lasting confidence and peace of mind, you're going to want to check out this video next.